Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Let's Talk Stamps. In this video, I want to show you how to identify and properly use a stamp catalog. And in this example, we are going to use a Stanley Gibbons catalog that we have right here in front of us. Now, there are a variety of stamp catalogs to choose from, Stanley Gibbons, Scott, Michelle, but for our purposes, we're just going to demonstrate with the Stanley Gibbons catalog, and this is one that focuses on the Middle East. I collect stamps in the Middle East, so it's appropriate to have a catalog that reflects your area of interest. And, you know, stamp catalogs can be expensive. This is a used catalog that I found on eBay for about $15. This is a 7th edition Stanley Gibbons stamp catalog, part 19 of the Middle East. And if we take a look on the inside, we will see that it was published in 2009. And there's a lot of important information in the early pages of the catalog that helps you as a navigation guide understand and identify the kind of stamps that we're looking at. And there's even a really nice glossary of all of these different philatelic terms to help us better understand, you know, what exactly we're looking at. For example, there's descriptions about watermarks, colors, there's a section on forgeries and fakes, and they even have, which is really helpful, a section on prices. Now, the prices that are listed in this catalog are for unused stamps, which are mint, and used stamps, and the prices are in pounds because Stanley Gibbons is a British publication. These are not in US dollar. All the prices listed here will be in pounds. I have this stamp right here, and I know it's a Jordanian stamp because it says so right in the center of the stamp, but I don't have a lot of information about it. I'm not sure about its official description. I'm not sure when it was issued. I don't have the Stanley Gibbons catalog number listing. I'd like to know that, and I'd also like to know the list price. Well, in order to find that information out, what we need to do is we need to search in our Stanley Gibbons catalog. It's alphabetized. We need to search for the country Jordan. And as we do so, we come across a picture that resembles our stamp. And this stamp has a number next to it, 51A, which corresponds to all the stamps here in this series. And apparently, this is a 6-set series of King Hussein, and we can see the year that it was issued, 1953. We even have the date next to it, October 1st, and the official description next to the date reads as Enthronement of King Hussein. So the image that's already featured in the stamp catalog has a 1 fill denomination, so we can see by that where it says 1F, black and green, that would be 413. That is the number of the catalog in Stanley Gibbons. It is number 413. Our stamp that we're trying to identify reads as 50 fill. So we're going to look down a bit and we come across 50F for fill, 50F black and bluish green. So our Stanley Gibbons catalog number for the stamp that we're trying to identify would be number 417. Now, if we want to find the value of this stamp, we look to the column over here. There's 2 rows, there's 2 columns, And for mint or unused, that's the first column right here. So this stamp would be £7 75 pence for mint condition. But our stamp happens to be used. So we would refer to the second column, which reads as £3 50 pence. And that tells us the value of the stamp that we're looking for. And that's really it. That is how we can quickly and easily identify stamps in our stamp collection. I hope you found this information useful. If you did and you enjoy content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more stamp videos. Until next time, happy stamping!